Oh, good, she's here.
Oh, no, you didn't.
You're not like any lass I would take a pass. Looks like a hope and fast, but you're better than nothing. You're such a cautious me. I caught that timid wing. What's with the sausage ling? Still you're better than nothing.
Everybody, this is my, friend, Wilma.
Wilma? Friend?
Well, she is a friend.
Yeah, she's a mammal, too.
Let's hope.
So I told you there was something special about her.
Yes, you did, but...
It's not a secret, but hardly anyone ever guesses.
Really? I'm black. Well, 115.
And that's not all. Wilma's also a dancer.
Well, just watch out for the hokey pokey, if you know what I mean.
The hoagie what?
Especially when you put your backside in and shake it all about.
Well, it's nice to finally be meeting all of you. Especially you, Mrs. Swampoodle. You know, we have something in common. I cook everything in my microwave.
Oh no! Toaster oven! She absolutely hates microwaves.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry.
That's all right, really. I can handle it, even if they are cheap whores.
Wilma might be joining us on our trip.
Do you think I put too much pressure on Rennie to find a girlfriend?
Definitely.
One thing about shooting video in the woods is that the foliage changes color constantly. The conditions were perfect, but not everyone could make the shoot. So it was now or never, and we'd need a fill-in for the part of Christy before it was too late.
Well, how are you going to explain why Christy looks so different?
Well, I figure Christy gets her head run over by Darlene, and while it's all bandaged up, we swap actors, and Christy number 2's head is wrapped up till the end of the episode.
Oh, come on. No one's going to buy that.
Well, I'll figure out something else, but our audience is not that smart. So maybe they won't even notice. Oh, and I found a great location where the new Christy can jump off this tree, and I'll slow it down to look like she's flying like a bat.
Oh, great. Now that's believable.
I told you no, I'm not doing anything different with my hair.
Christy knows the way better than I do, but I wanted to show you where we camped out a couple of years ago.
Oh, I like it already. Hiking is one of my favorite things to do.
You hike?
All the time. One day I want to do Everest. Well, with different clothes, of course. I definitely would wear a hat.
You know, I think we've gotten ourselves off the trail.
You mean we're lost?
We're not lost. I've been here plenty of times. It's this way.
Where are we? This doesn't look like a campground.
I know. We're getting there. I just thought we'd take the scenic route.
Scenic route?
Whoa!
Hello there. Didn't mean to scare you. Just doing my weekly tick deer survey.
You mean deer.
Right. Deer tick. I keep getting that mixed up. Little deer with little tiny itsy bitsy antlers.
Bet the heads look great over the fireplace.
Yeah, maybe.
We're just hiking to the campsite we had a couple of years ago.
Well, you're near Camp Wookie Nookie now. Campgrounds are up ahead a bit.
Okay, thanks. We'll leave you to your work.
Good luck.
Okay, we're almost there. I recognize these trees.
It seems to me we're just going in circles.
Where'd she go?
This is it. We put one of the tents here and the other one over there.
Well, the first thing I did was set up the generator so that Ma could join in.
Yeah, and she would have been steaming if she'd missed out on anything.
What a nice view of the lake.
That was such a great time, and we really got into the whole outdoors thing, especially Ma.
Boy, Rennie, your hair has changed a lot in the last couple of years. Hey, what happened to Christy? I haven't seen her for a while.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm here in this hollowed out tree, and there are bats that are roosting. And it looks like there are a couple of babies.
Babies with rabies? Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! My leg! Oh, help me!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Oh, no!
Oh.
Oh, my!
Ah! Yeah.
Oh.
Walking on it, that's a good idea.
We're gonna have to get you to a doctor. I hope it isn't broken.
Where are we going to find a doctor out here?
I'm not sure, but we have to find someone.
Bats? Oh!
Hey there, what's all this? What happened?
My sister hurt her leg. We need to find her a doctor.
Well, I'm afraid you're a long way from any doctors out here. You'd best head for Camp Wookie Nookie.
Isn't that all closed up for the season?
Yeah, but there are a few staff there, including the drama coach.
Drama coach?
Yeah, well, he's a registered nurse.
All right, so it's Wookie Nookie then.
Isn't that a tick deer?
Where are those little buggers? Sooner or later, I've got to find at least one.